So if you've just set up your Google Ads account and you need to add in your billing information, this is exactly how you do it. It's very, very simple. So under tools and settings in the top right hand corner, we want to go under the billing column here and just click on summary. Now, once we're in summary, you will need to fill in all of your customer information here. So whether your account is individual or organization, obviously it's for business, and then you will need to put in your address for your billing address and such like this. And then down here is where you decide to choose which payment method you want to use. Typically, you're going to use a credit card or a bank account or PayPal, but most of the time it's just a credit card. So input your details here and then press agree and submit. And if this isn't quite what you wanted, I do have other methods to look for adding in your payment information. So for example, if you already have your payment information in there, but you need to add another source of payment method, then check out my channel because I have some more videos on it.